Good afternoon, everybody. It is 3:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 28th, 2025. We got a 5.0 for the South Atlantic Ocean, Antarctica, as calculated. This was caused by asteroid 2017 RK15. It has a high angular velocity of 61,307 miles an hour with a high rotational velocity of 29,513. It's at a distance of 3.8 million miles, is currently in magnetic attraction, and has a diameter of 115 feet. So smash that like button, subscribe, share this channel with friends, family, and coworkers. And I will see you guys on the next update here. 7 days ago, Drake's Passage, we got the 7. So just don't forget, guys, just read the description box. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box section, and I will reply to them. You guys have a great night. Much love. Eagle out.